Greetings from Daybreak, Utah in South Jordan. Today is Saturday, October 14th, 2023. It's about 1:22 p.m. and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The Barbieland area of Daybreak was decorated for Halloween, and it's made national headlines. You can see it's become quite the tourist attraction. So what we're going to do, I've been checking out Halloween houses around Daybreak. For example, the Stranger Things house and some other houses that are nicely decorated. You can see the atmosphere of the area too. But I of course had to come and do a dedicated video to all of the Barbie houses. I haven't seen the movie yet. I plan to at some point because it got such good critical acclaim. I think most of these have labels on them. Like this one says Camping Barbie.
Spider.
This one is called Halloween Star Barbie. Seems like more of a traditional Halloween decorations for that house, but very nicely done too. Then we've got the Barbie Pet Shop. They got a pet spa over there. The decorations are on both sides of the street. For example, if I look to my left, you can see this, but I'm going to circle back around and make sure to show everything. Then you've got the classic Barbie. So there's the cases for Ken and Barbie. Where are the actual Barbies? This one is the Barbie graveyard. Worst day ever. You can see the skeleton of Barbie. Here lies Sugar Daddy Ken. This one is the Barbie Dream House. It's cool that they got all these houses to participate. This one is Haunted Barbie. So this really does go all the way down. It even goes to the next intersection. You've got the Pool Party Barbie, ready to swim down the slide. This one looks like a beach party Barbie. Barbie barn. So from the side of things, I don't think any other houses that direction look like they're participating. So let's start circling back around. Mojo Dojo. If I was a Barbie expert, I would be explaining the references. I'm just trying to read what the signs say. At one, they had the beach Barbie house. Also had a couple of big skeletons decked out in Barbie stuff on their side yard. If the video cuts in and out for a few bits, that's because I'm taking pictures along the way and stopping. So we looked at all the houses on the left side when I was walking down. Now I'm going to be trying to focus on the right side. Over here we have Hi Barbie, so I guess just everyone saying hi. Over here on the right side, you've got the Disco Barbie. Disco Barbie. You can see they've got the disco station up there. Let's go party. You guys ever think about dying? That's what the phrase says up there. And you've got the weird Barbie. The choice is now yours, it says. And what do we have here on the end? Mojo Dojo Ken. Or Mojo... I don't know. Sorry, again, I'm not familiar with the Mojo Dojo stuff. But something to do with Ken, and looks like a cowboy theme. And at the top it has a picture, Mojo Dojo Casa House. And then we've got just a couple more. And then we'll be back where we started. Here's Real World Barbie. And then is this the last one here? I think the corner one might be doing it too. Astronaut Barbie. And then last but not least, Bedtime Barbie. Alright. And that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this little tour in Daybreak of Barbieland, feel free to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.